We're all familiar with the Hollywood depiction of an explosion, but commercial blasting for construction and mining projects is extraordinarily safe and controlled, carefully engineered and performed by skilled professionals with state-of-the-art technology.
The foremost issue is safety on any blasting project, from the design straight through the loading to the detonation of each blast.
Sophisticated computerized trucks are used to transport and load the explosives, providing alternatives to standard packaged explosives. Hours of design and attention to detail are incorporated into each mine or construction project blast plan. With their expertise, a blasting project can be safely conducted just a few feet away from a structure, or even inside an existing home or structure.
Things as minor as slamming a door on the house, kids running up and down the stairs in a home, or a truck passing by vibrate the seismograph more than the blast do.
Today, blasting is both an art and a science, providing you and each person in society with the raw materials to lead a modern lifestyle. You may not realize it, but blasting is vital to both our economy and our lifestyle. With the exception of wood and other grown products, nearly everything we use or encounter in our daily lives can be linked in some way to mining.
There's a motto in the mining industry that if it's not mined, it's grown. Unless you come out to the mine site and see what's going on, you don't understand the volume of material that's required to maintain our daily lives. The bulk of this material is going to road-based cement and concrete for projects to build our roads, build our bridges, build our infrastructure and buildings. So, everybody's homes to how they get to work and how they move about in society is dependent on this material. In order for this entire operation to take place, the first step in making it happen is blasting the rock.
3, 2, 1, fire in the hole.
The use of explosives by blasting professionals is a safe and proven method for recovering these natural resources. Many companies manufacture explosives, but the three largest suppliers are Austin Powder Company, Dyno Nobel, and Orica. Every aspect of blasting is highly regulated by local, state, and federal government agencies. In fact, without the use of explosives, many construction projects, including the building of our nation's highways, cityscapes, and even our national monuments, would be all but impossible.
Blasting, as well as the final products from blasting, the importance on the construction side for our infrastructure, for blasting, for foundations, for buildings, for sanitary and storm drains, things like that, to get those in the ground, as well as specialty projects, things like our national monuments, Mount Rushmore and the ongoing Crazy Horse project are examples of creative ways that explosives are used in a positive way.
Since 1997, Blast Engineering Consultants has specialized in close proximity drill blast management and vibration analysis for construction projects. Over 20 years of hands-on experience with the blasting industry has given its consultants a thorough knowledge of the science of blasting and vibration, so that its customers can be trained in the latest technology.
Companies choose to partner with BE Consultants because of the ever-presence of litigation in today's society with the blasting industry. We come in and manage the project from beginning to end, the design, the drilling, the blasting, the overseeing the loading, and coming through with a total safety package that helps ensure compliance of all regulatory agencies, as well as maybe any site-specific regulations that there may be.
Blasting projects are much more than simply drilling holes, loading them with explosives, and setting them off. When a blast sequence is properly designed, almost all of its energy is used up inside the blast area itself, with only 4 to 5% of the energy traveling away from the blast site. This is due to state-of-the-art explosives and detonators and modern technical analysis.
Seismic instrumentation is used in mining and construction, and those readings, and along with intense engineering and all the modern equipment of GPS and AutoCAD systems, everything comes together to show just how safe explosives can be used and how you can blast right up to a structure and not damage it.
It may seem hard to believe, but something as common as thunder or a passing truck can often trigger vibrations higher than blasting activity. Blasting will always be vital to our economy and our standard of living, and BE Consultants aims to keep blasting a safe aspect of life.